Hi, my name is Christy Vanderkam with Frontier Computer Corp. I'm here today to introduce you to the launch of our Pepwave device connector product lines. The device connector I will show you in a few minutes has a product code of DCS-GN. This particular device is a metallic indoor enclosure. It is an industrial grade 802.11. It supports wireless B, G, and N, and is a two-layer client bridge that is compatible with any access point. It has an optional software upgrade that supports Car-Fi fast roaming. Now looking into what you would get with the device connector itself, you will get your user registration, and when you take it out of the box, below it, you will have one power cord and your antenna. And the device connector itself. Now looking on the front, you have one antenna connector, a power over Ethernet, and a 12-volt DC. You will also be able to view your status indicator lights. If you would like more information regarding the device connector, please visit us online at frontiercomputercorp.com or call us at 231-668-9451. Thank you and have a wonderful day.